Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or how to make YouTube thumbnail or YouTube poster. So you know how to make a professional YouTube poster or thumbnail in your phone. So I will show you the professional tricks and tips to show to make the thumbnails. So guys, without wasting time, please hit the subscribe button and let's go to the videos. So now guys, let me pick up one topic example. I will show you. Let me go to my Instagram and then I will show you one topic for Instagram. So guys, basically my system is getting a bit lazier, so sorry. So now basically I have to make a thumbnail for this. You can see here this cool name. So now what I have to do is, first of all, you have to take a screenshot of this page which you wanna show. So I have took the screenshot. Now what you have to do is you have to go to Google Play Store. You have to go to Google Play Store. So sorry, where is my Google Play Store? Here it is. Google Play Store or App Store, anywhere. So now after going to Google Play Store, what you have to do is you have to search here PicsArt. PicsArt. So just click on the PicsArt application and then you have to download this application. You can see here you have to download the application here. So after downloading the application, let's go to PicsArt now. I have already downloaded which I'm showing to make a thumbnail. It's completely professional, and I am sure that nobody, no YouTuber will show you these tricks, because they show the tricks to make a thumbnail, but they won't show the professional way to get attracted to the public. So now guys, you have to go to this and then let's see how we can make a professional thumbnails. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is sorry. First of all, what you have to do is here you can take some backgrounds here. So you can just take any background. So let me just take this background here. So let me take this background. Also, I will just showing you demo. You can use your own creativity on this. So now guys, here what you have to do is, after taking one background, you have to click on this tools option. So now just click on the tools option and then you have to click on this crop option. You can see here. So just click on the crop option and then after clicking to crop option, you have to slide on your left side. Now after sliding on your left side, you can see here YouTube option. So just click on the YouTube and then you have to click on the right option here. So just click on the right and then see. Okay guys, if you make a thumbnail and if you see a short video of thumbnail, then that's fake, because mostly YouTuber gives time on thumbnails, okay, because they want to show their content creative, so they give time mostly on thumbnails. So guys, you can see here, after doing this, what you have to do is you have to go to this add photo. So let's go to add photo, and after going to add photo, you have to choose the file which you have screenshot. So let me just take and click on add. So now here you can see here, this is the photo which I have screenshotted. So now it's up to you how much you want to show. So I will just take this much, and then now guys, what you have to do, I will show you. When, let me just exit. Okay, here is the. So now what you have to do is, after taking up, you have to go to sticker option. So let me go to sticker option, and then after going to sticker option, go you can search, sorry, you can search for, you can see search bar. So just click on the search option and then search for you have to you have to search for phone SCREE and screen. So after searching the font screen, you will find lots of font screen here. So you can see here. So let me just select one font screen here. It's up to you which font screen you want to select. So after this, you have to place your font screen in a good size so that it will looks like a real font. This is the method. I am sure that no YouTuber will show you this type of things. Wait, what is happening? I don't know. Okay, just adjust your phone screen in a good coolest way. So now it's done. You can see here it looks very professionally cool. Now what you have to do is you have to take your photo. So if you have photos, then you have to lay out your photos, and then let me take one photos of mine, and I will show you what you have to do. Let me just take up my photos here. Here is not my photo. Also, okay, this is the one. So just add photo, and then now let me just turn this side. So now what you have to do is let me turn this side, and then let me do a bit big size. Now guys, you can see here this is the this looks a bit professional. Now guys, what you can do is you have to click on this text option. You can see here. So guys, keep in mind that you don't need to have give a big name, very long name or something like that. Just give a simple word here. Just give type for cool inst Instagram uh, names or fonts, fonts, for you can write like this, names fonts. So now just make sorry, just take this and just make it a bit bigger, and then adjust it here, and then you have to choose the color here. So you can choose any color. Let me just take some professional color. So after taking professional color, I will go to strike, and then I will make this a bit visible, so that it will looks like a professional. So now guys, after doing this, what you have to do is you have to go to the sticker option here. You can see here. So after going to sticker option, you have to search here. So sorry, search here, ARROW, arrow. So now just search it, arrow, and then you will find lots of arrow here. So let me just take this arrow here, and then after taking this arrow, you can use any of your creative ways. So now just make this a bit in a size, and then just put this here. So now guys, oh no, sorry, it's looking a bit not good. Let me just put like this. Yeah, so now you can see here it looks completely cool, and then you can go to sticker. You can go to sticker, and after that going to sticker, you can just give some cool things, Instagram logo, and then just give, you can give here also just a small logo here, and it you can see it looks very cool here. So just click on the right button here. You can see here, so just click on the right button, and then after clicking the right button, you can save this gallery on the gallery. So guys, you can see save to gallery. So guys, this is how you can save, you can create your professional types of thumbnail on Android. Thanks for watching guys. One like, take one subscribe, one like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.